Hello, it's me, Ukulele Sean, and in today's lesson we're going to be learning how to play Shivers by Ed Sheeran on the ukulele. So let's get started. Now the song only uses 4 chords, starting off with the chord of a B minor. To play the B minor, place fingers number 1 on frets number 2 of strings 1, 2 and 3. Strings 1 is the string which is closest to the ground, strings 2 is the string just above that, and then strings 3 is the string just above that, and frets number 2 is the second box along. Then you're going to place fingers number 3 on frets number 4 of strings 4. Strings 4 is the 4th string up from the ground, one closest to your face, and frets number 4 is the 4th box along. Then when we push those down, we've got the chord of a B minor. The next chord is the G major chord. To play the G major, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 1, place fingers number 3 on frets number 3 of strings 2, then place fingers number 1 on frets number 2 of strings 3, then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this, and that's our G major chord. The next chord is the D major chord. To play the D major, place fingers number 1 on frets number 2 of strings 4, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 3, then place fingers number 3 on frets number 2 of strings 2, then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this, and that there is the D major chord. And last but by no means least, the A major chord. To play the A major, place fingers number 2 on frets number 2 of strings 4, then place fingers number 1 on frets number 1 of strings 3, then strum all 4 strings down to the ground like this. And they are the 4 chords needed for today's song. Now the next thing we need to be looking at is the strumming pattern. Now to start off with, if you want a very beginner's strumming pattern, then simply strum down once per chord change, and to know when to change chord, my buddy Jerry the Shark will land on the correct chord at the correct time. If you want something slightly more advanced, then it's down, down, up, up, down, up, and you'll do that twice per chord. Okay, and if you want to do something slightly different, that's absolutely fine as well. You can put your own strumming pattern. I probably will for this song, as long as it works well for the song. Okay, so if you're a little bit more advanced and you think, I want to try this strumming pattern, then go for it. As long as it works, as long as what you're playing doesn't sound off with the song, then that's absolutely fine. So now it's time to play along with me just for the first verse, pre-chorus and chorus of the song. The lyrics and chords will come up down below. Are we ready? I took an arrow to the heart. I never kiss a mouth that tastes like yours. Strawberries and something more. Oh yeah, I want it all. Lipstick on my guitar. Fill up the engine, we can drive real far. Go dancing underneath the stars. Oh yeah, I want it all. You got me feeling like I wanna be that guy. I wanna kiss your eyes. I wanna drink that smile. I wanna feel like I'm like souls on fire. I wanna stay up all day and all night. Yeah, you got me singing like, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you're close up, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. And when they say the party's over, then we'll bring it right back. And I say, ooh, I love it when you do it like that. And when you're close up, give me the shivers. Oh baby, you wanna dance till the sunlight cracks. And when they say the party's over, then we'll bring it right back. Unfortunately, that's all we've got time for today. Please show your support by subscribing to the channel and giving this video a thumbs up. And don't forget, I upload ukulele tutorials each week. And if you'd like to support the channel even further, I am on Patreon, which is patreon.com/Ukulele Sean. We're on there for only £3 a month. You'll get full access to a library of full, easy to follow colour song sheets, early access to these videos, as well as a lot of other exclusive goodies as well. So it's worth checking on there. And there's also a free gift on there as well. So even if you don't want to sign up, check out my Patreon page, because there is a free gift for you just for checking that out. So until next time, goodbye.